Good morning everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is me again, Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. And for today's content, this is a house tour and sample computation of different model units of Amaresa. So what I'll do guys, per upload, isang model unit. Kasi there are 4 different model units here. So, ano na lang, wait nyo na lang. Syempre mag-start tayo, diba? 4 yung model unit. May Aria Prime, may Kayla, may Alexandria, tsaka Amara Expanded, diba? So, 1 by 1 tayo, ha? At least ito nakakita nyo na yung entrance gate. Located at Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan, non-flooded area of Marilao, Bulacan. Ito po ay boundary ng Muzon, San Jose del Monte, Muzon, San Jose del Monte, Marilao exit, North Luzon Expressway, few minutes to Balintawak, Quezon City, Metro Manila. Alright, let's go and let's start with their first model unit. Come with me. The exterior model of Aria Prime. Minimum usable area 99 square meter, minimum lot area 89 square meter. So guys, stay tuned up to the end of this video for the sample computation to make sure that this is a suitable house and property for you and your income. Let's go! Alrighty, so pansin mo kaagad ang signature design ni Amaresa na lahat ng model ay may ganito kalaking balcony terrace like that, 'di ba? Na nagsisilbing bubong ng iyong garahe. Tapos meron kang space dito, dirty kitchen service area. From this side. May door yan dyan, guys. Okay? So, pagpasok mo kay Aria Prime, ang sasalubong agad sa iyo ay ang iyong magandang sala or living area. Meron niyang, dito pwede kang maglagay dyan ng television. At ito yung iyong dining area. Meron siyang space dito na for this model unit, ginawa siyang another living area, but actually you can make this as a room. Kasi parang ano yan eh, 1 room and then 2 sa taas, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. And so here's the kitchen area. And toilet and bath. Diba guys, no? It's really nice. Pati yung toilet and shower niya sa first floor. So, ayan. This is Aria Prime model. May space ka pa sa ilalim ng stairs na pwede mong ma-maximize. Okay, may window ka dito. Mataas ba ang ceiling? Of course, it's very high. Maraming windows rin sa part na to. Ganito yung kanyang turnover ng stairs. Second floor. Tiles, vinyl. And oh, actually, you have 1 bedroom here, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. So, yung sa baba, si Aria Prime pala, yung sa baba, pwede mong dalawa yung living area mo or gawing kwarto. So, magiging 4 na kwarto possible for Aria Prime. Diba, guys? Gusto nyo ba yon? This is your second toilet and bath for Aria Prime. Para kung hingal na hingal. Madami ko kasi mga lakad today, guys, eh. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Yan na, tinutur ko kayo. Kaya don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ang hindi mag-subscribe, hindi magkakabahay. Joke lang. Siyempre, lahat tayo magkakaroon ng future home at marami pang property investment. Gusto niyo ba ng ganito kaluwag na terrace? Yung pwede kang maglagay ng inflatable pool, o kaya pwede kayong mag-barbecue party. Gusto nyo ba yan, guys? Kung gusto nyo yon, kontakin nyo na ako, guys. Dahil paubos na po ang phase 2, Amaresa, Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Kaya naman, guys, you must contact me as soon as possible. So, let's talk about the computation for area prime. Area prime. Kasi, sa ibang uploads naman yung pang ibang model unit, di ba guys? O, mabilisan. Para sa'yo ba ang area prime? Kung para sa'yo ang area prime, makinig ka sa computation na to. Starting total contract price, 5,874,120. 20,000 reservation, ibabawas sa 10% down payment. You can choose between 18 months or 24 months. Okay, let's say 24 months. Only 23,642 per month for your down payment for 24 months. We're gonna loan up the 90% balance for up to 20 years sa bank financing. Bank financing, 45,000 per month. And the required income is 128,000. Alright. So, guys, pwede mo pang lakihan yung down payment mo para lumiit tong amortization. You can always play with this one. That's the advantage of pre-selling. So, there is no walk-ins for this project. You have to contact me directly. You can see my number there. My Viber, 0917-114-2422. That's my Viber WhatsApp. And of course, visit my website. That's my name, www.nicoleshane.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope to see you all, guys.